Arunachal Pradesh becomes the first state to obtain organic certification for kiwi. Arunachal Pradesh has become the first state in the country to obtain organic certification for kiwi under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region (MOCDNER). It is to be noted that kiwi production has helped in boosting the local economy of the state and also increased the scope for cultivation owing to its natural agroclimatic conditions. Hearty congratulations to the farmers of Lower Subansiri district for achieving the feat, tweeted Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister. India becomes second largest exporter of agrochemicals. According to latest data released by the WTO, India has emerged as the second largest exporter of agrochemicals in the world. While the rank was 6th 10 years ago, this is indeed a remarkable milestone towards the direction of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Globally, the agrochemicals market is estimated to be $78 billion. Almost 75% of this is post-patent products. India is fast emerging as a preferred global hub for sourcing the post-patent agrochemicals. Authur betel leaves of Tamil Nadu gets GI tag. Authur betel leaves from Tamil Nadu Toothukudi district recently received a geographical indication certificate. The GI tag facilitated by the Tamil Nadu State Agriculture Marketing Board and NABARD Madurai Agribusiness Incubation Forum is registered in the name of Authur Vattara Vetrilai Vivasigal Sangam. The betel leaves, commonly known as Vetrilai, have been mentioned in the 13th century book of Marco Polo, the Venetian. Godrej Agrovet announces 47,000 acre land for oil palm cultivation. Godrej Agrovet's GAVL oil palm business announced that it has been allocated a potential area of 47,000 acre in Sangareddy districts of Telangana by the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Government of Telangana. The allotted area will be utilized by the company to expand cultivation of oil palm and set up oil palm processing units. It is a testimony of GAVL's commitment and efforts to boost oil palm plantation and promote farmer prosperity in the region. Syngenta unveils crop protection solutions. Seed and crop protection products major Syngenta India has launched its plant protection solutions in CPO and Simodis, which effectively curbs pests like leaf folder, stem borer, and sucking insects. This severely increases the yields in paddy, cotton, and vegetable crops. These insecticides developed using Plinazolin technology help farmers dealing with climatic stress and pest resistance. In CPO, combats new pests such as stem borer and leaf folder attacks on paddy crops, while Simodi provides protection against sucking pest attack on vegetables. India's first fisheries Atal Incubation Center at Kufos. The Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies, Kufos, had secured a grant of Rs 10 crore from Niti Aayog to establish India's first Atal Incubation Center in fisheries at the university. The AIC initiative is part of the Atal Innovation Mission, which seeks to encourage a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship across various sectors in the country. Under the guidance of Dr. Radhika Rajashree, Professor and Head of the Department of Fish Processing Technology. India's first pig school in Assam. Pigs are becoming the center of attention in Assam's Bodoland territorial region. With the introduction of India's first pig school, this pioneering initiative led by the Bodoland Territorial Council aims to stimulate the local economy and improve pig farming methods. Assam, with its highest pig population in India, is an ideal location for expanding the pig farming industry. The establishment of pig schools is a vital part of this mission, focusing on training, technology, demonstration, and skill development based on the folk school concept. India is set to host the World Coffee Conference for the first time. India is set to host the 5th World Coffee Conference in Bangalore from September 25th to 28th, where it will present its diverse coffees to buyers from over 80 countries. This is the first time that the event will be held in Asia. The International Coffee Organization (ICO) and the Coffee Board of India will co-organize the event. The event will feature tennis player Rohan Bopanna, who has been appointed as its brand ambassador.